Hello, Odooers. Welcome back to our channel, Devintelle. Using this our app, you can easily attach document into projects. So let's see about that. You can see here our module, Dev Project Task Document. First install this module, so click on this Activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to Projects and see here this one, Documents, Projects document and Task document. See here, not available now, but I want to attach in projects. Go to office design, go to anyone like a room to decoration and attach here. Now go to task and see here task in attachment for room. So display here. Thank you.